Corbett Software, IMAP Email Account Backup Wizard. And are you searching for a trusted solution online? Corbett Software, IMAP Backup Wizard, one-step solution for all mail client and mail server. Now let's check out the main features of the software. Backup emails from 100 plus email clients and web servers easily. Backup email files to different formats: MBOX, PST, PDF, text, vCard, HTML, CSV, and many more. No file size limitation on the email files to be backed up. Maintains 100% data integrity of files after email backup. Now install and run the tool. Simple and user-friendly UI is a major feature of this standalone tool. Click on Open tab and choose drop-down option. Select Email Accounts. Choose Add Account. Now add your email account details like email's address and password to take backup. Then click on the Add button. In case you are not able to log in with credentials, please select the Advanced Settings option. Here you need to add the IMAP server that you can search by clicking Find button, also port number of the email account to take backup. After fill the IMAP server details and port number, click on Add button. As you can see, the software is analyzing the entered credentials. Here's the files and folders from your account to take backup. If you want to manage your account, you can go to Open button. Select Email Accounts under drop-down, then click Manage Accounts from pop-up window. Here you can add new account credentials. Go to Open button and select Email Accounts. Choose Open IMAP Configured Accounts. And select your account. The software is analyzing files and folders from your account. Select the required folder and software. List all the emails in the panel. You can enable the Compact View button to view the important folder for the backup process. Now click the email to view the message preview. This way you can preview the email message with all the elements such as email's properties, signature, sender information, and more. The tool provides you with many useful tabs such as content that lets you see the full body content of the email message. Message header helps you view the detailed routing information of the message, such as sender, recipient, date, subject, and more. The hex view lets you see hexadecimal digit of an email message. Raw message preview for you can see selected email in raw message file format. As you can see, there is a search option that is called Quick Search. It searches keywords within the emails. Now enter a keyword in the search bar and press Enter button for search. And you will see the result highlighted in yellow color. It's time to introduce one of the most beneficial features of the tool, Advanced Search. It finds information within the email. Go to Advanced Search. You can search in all fields like calendar and date, range, and more. Now pick the emails field you want to search information from, such name, subject to, CC, content, and more. Let's choose the subject field and fill a keyword. Then click on the Find button. Click on Rest button for rest all fields. Click here to close Advanced Search option. Now go to the Export tab. It gives you multiple options to back up emails accounts, such as email, MBOX, PST, PDF, text, vCard, HTML, CSV, and many more exporting options. The Extract tab helps you take out email addresses, attachments, phone numbers, and more from the emails. Select the Export option and choose PST to back up the email account. Mark the required folder, and unmark the rest folder, as per your requirement. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save the email account backup. Now let's understand the advanced functions, the tool one by one. The first is open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved automatically opens after the conversion. The next is skip grayed out folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your files. Other to create empty folders, please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next one is delete old folders if you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder. Next is an include email header. We recommend you disable this. The last option is create individual PST file for each folder. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of email account backup. Once the task completed, you get a successful message. Then click on Open Folder option. Now you will see the resultant folder. Now see the backup data. Thanks for watching.